Survival in southern Alaska is guaranteed to no one. A single false step can lead to unimaginable disaster. As night falls on the Kenai Peninsula, a normal day for the Kilcher family takes a catastrophic turn.
Otsley is miles away hiking, and I get the phone call in the middle of the night that no wife should ever get. I didn't really understand what was happening, but so far, what I know is this. Otsley and Mike Shellman were going for a hiking trip across the bay. But it started to get dark as they were hiking. Otsley was looking for Mike, and then he fell off a cliff. Luckily, Mike had a satellite phone with him.
911, what's your emergency?
The paramedics came in a chopper, and the helicopter took Otsley out of there. It's hard to know somebody's hurt, and they might die or something. It's just terrible.